guys, how are you all? Everything good?
Yeah, all good.
How was your day?
Just like any other day. Nothing special though, just really routine.
But you know what's special? Our online classes will begin from tomorrow.
Yeah, isn't that great? After a long vacation, I'll finally be meeting my friends and teachers. I just can't hold myself back.
Why are you guys so excited? It's just online class again. Don't you miss going to school?
Of course, we do miss going to school, especially the first day after a long, relaxing summer vacation.
A new school year starts with so many new things: new classmates, books, school supplies, new people, new stories, and maybe even new friends. It's a bit like celebrating New Year's Eve in the middle of the calendar.
Yes, exactly. A whole new start with new hopes, new dreams, and maybe one or two resolutions.
One of the sweetest memories of the school is the first day of the school. Which class will I be in? Will I get my favorite teacher again? Will my friends be in my class? And tons of questions. I was really looking forward to going to school this year. But another academic year online, it's just not all the same.
Well, what option do we have? Since the pandemic has struck, a major change has happened in our lives. All of us have faced challenges. And as the saying goes, change is the only thing permanent in life. We have adapted to the need of the hour. We completed our last academic year online. And yes, we might have missed on a few things, but we spared no efforts to make the best of it.
That's true. Although we cannot be physically present with each other, but at least we can see one another online via Google Meets. And one thing that I've learned in this pandemic is to be grateful. I believe that we are all fortunate enough to have this facility. So let's not point on these things, but be thankful and keep moving ahead.
Listening to you, I've changed my mind. I missed on the point that we cannot always choose the direction of the wind, but we can always choose how we sail. We can choose our attitude, but we cannot always choose the circumstances.
Now you get it, Tanvi. Even though it might not be the most exciting back to school day, but with new hopes, new dreams, new determination, and new goals, we can make it a memorable one.
Yes, absolutely. Hey guys, I just received a video from school.
That's exciting. Let's play it.
Today is the first day of a new academic year. It isn't exactly the best one we can imagine, but let's not lose hope.
You cannot always change your circumstances. So get your hands off of what you can't change and get your hands on what you can change.
Friends, these are troubled times for us, for others, and for the whole world. So let us not allow the darkness to overshadow us. Let us ask for God's grace and help us as we pursue these beginnings together with patience, perseverance, and trust in what He has planned for us. Let the Lord hold our hands and lead us on these troubled times.
Life is full of challenges, and challenges are full of opportunities to learn. Never get scared from challenges and always welcome the chances to learn new thing in life in order to grow and prosper. Wishing you all the very best in this new academic year.